Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Suno AI review and breaking down what it is, how it works, what it's good at, and what to keep in mind before using it. Suno AI is an artificial intelligence platform focused on audio creation, especially music generation. Instead of typing text that becomes words on a screen, you give Suno prompts that the AI uses to produce music, beats, melodies, and soundscapes. The idea is to help creators, musicians, podcasters, and content makers quickly generate music without needing traditional instruments or production skills. One of the biggest strengths of Suno AI is how creative and intuitive it feels. You type a prompt describing the mood, style, instruments, or genre you want, and Suno produces a unique audio piece that matches your description. This is especially cool for creators who struggle with music production software or don't play instruments, but still want original sound for videos, ads, or creative projects. Another advantage is the range of styles and customization available. You can generate anything from simple backing tracks to more complex compositions, and some tools let you tweak tempo, instruments, or vibe. This gives you flexibility to experiment and refine the sound until it fits your project. Suno AI also works quickly, giving results in a matter of seconds or minutes rather than hours, which is helpful when you need music fast. This makes it appealing for social media creators, short video producers, and anyone who wants original audio without long production time. That said, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. One is that generated music may not always feel perfectly polished or professional compared to handmade compositions from experienced musicians. While Suno AI's is impressive, it isn't a replacement for traditional production when you need high-end, studio-level sound. Some tracks might feel repetitive or lack variation depending on prompts and settings used. Another point is that you need to be clear and specific in your prompts to get the best results. Vague prompts can generate audio that doesn't match your expectations, so part of using Suno is learning how to describe the sound you want. This takes practice, but gets easier over time. Some users also note that copyright or licensing considerations can matter if you plan to use generated music commercially, so checking usage rights and terms before publishing is important, especially for monetized content. So, who is Suno AI best for? It works well for content creators, indie filmmakers, podcasters, social media marketers, and people who want quick original music without needing music theory or software experience. It's especially useful when you need background tracks, intro music, mood pieces, or creative sound for content projects. Overall, Suno AI is a powerful and creative audio generation tool with strengths in speed, flexibility, and ease of use. It may not replace professional music production for every project, but for many creators, it's a great way to make custom audio fast without deep technical skills. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.